Is the relentless rhythm of city life wearing you down? Are you growing tired of the constant hustle and bustle, craving a real escape, a breath of fresh air, and a landscape that stirs the soul? Do you dream of wide open spaces and a world far removed from the everyday grind? Then, welcome to the majestic Scottish Highlands. Here, towering mountains seem to touch the clouds, their peaks often shrouded in mist and mystery. And mysterious lochs, steeped in legend and folklore, stretch for miles, their still waters reflecting the dramatic skies above. Leave the noise and the crowds behind, step into a landscape straight out of a movie, a place where every view is a masterpiece. This isn't just a trip or a vacation, it's your adventure, a chance to write your own story, where you're the hero exploring a world of unparalleled beauty. The Highlands are calling, beckoning you to discover their secrets, ready to show you something truly unforgettable, something that will stay with you long after you've left. Swap your daily routine for misty mornings, where the landscape is veiled in an ethereal beauty, and epic sunsets that paint the sky in 1,000 shades of gold and crimson. Feel the wind's stories as it whispers through the heather, and uncover the ancient stone's secrets, remnants of a past shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Breathe deeply, filling your lungs with the crisp, clean air, surrounded by some of the world's most stunning scenery, a panorama of natural wonders that will leave you breathless. Let's explore a land of giants, legends where myths come alive, and fairy tale castles that stand as proud reminders of a rich and vibrant history. The Highlands aren't just a place to visit, they're an immersive experience, a journey for the senses that stays with you long after you've returned home. Ready to trade the concrete jungle, the steel and glass canyons for wild, untamed beauty, for a landscape that breathes with life and adventure? Your cinematic journey into the very heart of Scotland, a land of breathtaking beauty and timeless charm, starts now. Let's begin this unforgettable adventure together. The Highlands of Scotland offer a landscape unlike any other. Here, the scenery in all its raw and rugged beauty is the true star. Majestic Highlands mountains like the towering Ben Nevis are ancient giants, sculpted by time and weather, standing as silent witnesses to the ages. Their peaks are often wrapped in a vibrant tapestry of heather, a purple crown upon their rocky heads. Stand at their base, look up, and feel a sense of awe, a humbling reminder of nature's power and grandeur. These slopes have witnessed centuries of history, from clan battles to the quiet passage of time. The lochs, especially the enigmatic Loch Ness, are deep, mysterious, and legendary, holding secrets within their dark waters. Even without Nessie, the legendary monster, their dark waters mirror the sky and the ever-changing moods of the land, reflecting the soul of Scotland. Between the towering mountains and the shimmering lochs, the vast moors stretch wide, an open invitation to explore. Wild, colorful, and teeming with life, a vibrant ecosystem under an expansive sky. Walk across a moor, feel the soft earth beneath your feet, and feel on top of the world with panoramic views stretching in every direction. Sky above, earth below, a perfect harmony of nature's elements. The landscape shifts constantly, a testament to the dynamic forces that have shaped this land. Moody valleys, shrouded in mist and mystery, bright coastlines where the land meets the sea in a dramatic display, and pristine white beaches offering a surprising contrast to the rugged terrain. Every turn reveals a new, breathtaking view, a postcard-perfect moment waiting to be captured. The Highlands are a living, dramatic canvas, painted with vibrant colors and sculpted by the elements, perfect for adventurers seeking thrilling experiences and dreamers yearning for inspiration. It's a place to lose yourself and find wonder in the simple beauty of the natural world. Nature here is untamed, a force to be reckoned with, ever-changing and utterly unforgettable, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. This is Scotland at its wildest, most dramatic, and most captivating. The Highlands are steeped in history and legend. Castles like Eilean Donan stand as storybook reminders of a dramatic past. Walk their halls, climb battlements, and imagine clan chiefs and warriors. Every stone tells a tale of feasts, battles, and ancient families. Folklore thrives here. Kelpies in the lochs, fairies in the glens. These stories add magic to every misty forest and shadowed valley. Highland culture is alive in traditions, games, and the sound of bagpipes. The people are proud, welcoming, and deeply connected to their land. Here, history and myth blend into an unforgettable experience. What's the ultimate way to experience the raw beauty and untamed spirit of the Scottish Highlands? Hit the open road and let the adventure unfold. Feel the freedom as you navigate through this breathtaking landscape. Embark on a journey along the legendary North Coast 500. Scotland's answer to Route 66? A driving experience unlike any other, promising unforgettable vistas at every turn. Prepare to be mesmerized by the jaw-dropping scenery that unfolds before your eyes. Past dramatic cliffs that plunge into the sea, discover pristine beaches with sands as white as snow, and wander through charming villages steeped in history and tradition. This legendary route is more than just a drive, it's an immersion into the heart and soul of Scotland. Step out of the car and embrace the landscape with a hike. Enjoy gentle lochside strolls, breathing in the fresh, crisp air, or challenge yourself with epic climbs up mighty Munros, reaching for the sky. The dramatic ridges of Glencoe, steeped in history and legend, and the Isle of Skye's fantasy cliffs, sculpted by time and tide, await your discovery. The rugged coastline offers thrilling sea kayaking adventures, relaxing boat trips to hidden coves, and unforgettable wildlife encounters with seals, dolphins, and maybe even whales. Each island, Skye, Mull, the Outer Hebrides, boasts its own unique character and charm, feels like stepping into a secret world, untouched by time. Camp under starry skies, far from the city lights, enjoy a picnic by rushing rivers, the soundtrack to your Highland adventure, and keep an eye out to spot majestic red deer or the soaring flight of golden eagles overhead. The Highlands invite you to slow down your pace, explore the hidden corners, and reconnect with the raw, untamed beauty of nature. Whether you seek the adrenaline rush of mountain climbing or the quiet peace of a serene loch, adventure awaits you everywhere you look. Every moment spent here in this magical land is a story waiting to happen, a memory to be cherished forever. The open road is yours to explore, promising an unforgettable journey through the heart of the Highlands. What makes the Highlands unforgettable? It's the wild spirit in the air. This land, shaped by nature's power, feels alive with freedom and resilience. The people are as warm and welcoming as the landscape is dramatic. Share stories in a local pub, and you'll feel the true heart of the Highlands. The memories linger, wind on your face, silence in the glens, the taste of fresh seafood, the sound of bagpipes. The Highlands become part of your story, calling you back again and again. There's always another mountain, another legend, another adventure. This isn't goodbye, it's an invitation. Come and discover the magic for yourself. Your Highland story is waiting.